Musicinfo for musicians' honest review. Watch before using. Musicinfo is a platform designed specifically for musicians, aiming to expand their reach in the Chinese music market. It offers a unique opportunity to distribute your music across major Chinese streaming platforms like QQ Music, NetEase, and Tencent Music, which are difficult to access for most international artists. The key feature that stands out is its direct integration with these platforms, allowing artists to gain exposure in one of the world's largest music markets. What's great is that Musicinfo also provides detailed analytics, so you can track your song's performance and audience demographics in real time. This service is particularly suited for independent musicians, record labels, and artists seeking to grow their fan base outside traditional Western markets. What makes it even better is that they handle the entire process from licensing to distribution without requiring a middleman. You retain 100% of your royalties from Chinese streams, which is a big win considering how complicated international rights management can be. It also supports music video distribution and offers promotional services like playlist placements and social media boosts, helping your content stand out among the millions of songs uploaded daily. However, one downside is that Musicinfo is heavily focused on the Chinese market, so if your goal is to target a more global audience, you might need to use it alongside other distribution platforms like Spotify for global reach. Additionally, the promotional features, while useful, come at an extra cost, which could be a downside for musicians on a budget. In summary, Musicinfo is a solid choice for musicians looking to tap into the Chinese music scene, offering powerful distribution tools, analytics, and promotional services. If your goal is to break into this market and get your music heard by millions of potential new fans, Musicinfo is worth considering. Just be prepared for the extra promotional costs and know that this platform is best when used in combination with other global services for maximum reach.